Rejuvenate.
Rejuvenate. Rejuvenate.
Watching the face of your wife.
Yeah.
So that is the simplest meaning of
Rejuvenate.
Dearest viewers, now the man seems to be.
sorry for misunderstanding. Now I got the idea. If
You want to say something?
I think he saw the expression
Your understanding of this word, what does it mean?
when you want.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. You know that the topic is still a secret. Before I let it be known to you, I would love to know about you, your name, your qualification, and the area you belong to. First, clear?
my name is Usama Hassan.
Yeah.
I belong to Ijaz Kalunjabad,
Okay.
and recently I completed my master's in English literature.
Yeah. Thank you.
My name is Humayun Shehzad.
Okay.
I belong to Hushab.
Okay.
My qualification is intermediate
Yeah. Intermediate.
in computer science.
Yeah. I mean ICS.
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 Please.
My name is Ikra Akhtar. I belong to Hushab. My qualification is BSc
And your subjects were
Biology.
biology.
My name is Muhammad Abu Bakr Yaqub.
Yeah.
I belong to Hushab.
Okay.
My qualification is 8th grade,
Yeah. So you are now the student of O level. What?
O level.
Do you know what does O level stand for?
Yes,
It stands for
ordinary level,
ordinary level. After O level,
A level,
A level, and A stands for
advanced level.
Advanced.
My name is Muhammad Banar Raza. I belong to Hushab.
Yeah.
My qualification is FSC pre-engineering.
Yeah. So you have this equal qualification now.
Yeah.
Intermediate,
Intermediate.
pre-engineering, and you did ICS. You have done now that master in English literature. You've done BSc, and your subject was biology, and you are the student of O level. See, there's a word in English now.
Rejuvenate.
What's the word?
Rejuvenate.
Rejuvenate.
Rejuvenate. Rejuvenation.
What is,
Rejuvenate.
please?
Rejuvenate
Rejuvenate. Rejuvenate. Rejuvenate.
means you are going to the work and
Yeah.
you have to take a small break.
Yeah.
In that time you don't have to do anything extraordinary. You just have to sit with your wife
Yeah.
and take rest by watching the face of your wife.
Yeah.
So that is the simplest meaning of
Rejuvenate.
Dearest viewers, now the man seems to be so turkey, that see if as he's unmarried,
yeah.
so in order to get,
Rejuvenated.
does he need wife or the wife of someone else's, or he will be searching for some woman and he would believe that lady is his wife?
Okay.
Why
Now-
you are making it compulsory?
Now I got the idea.
I can't understand. Okay, please.
Sorry for misunderstanding. Now I got the idea. If he
Yeah.
will watch the face of someone's wife,
Yeah.
it will create a great problem for him.
Yeah, it is
Or-
a sin, no?
Yeah, it is a
Allah,
sin.
why he doesn't
Okay,
love.
I will change the definition that I provide.
Okay.
According to my understanding, watching the face of your beloved one can
Beloved one, yeah.
beloved one
Yeah.
can be
Rejuvenated.
like you
Yeah.
are watching someone's beloved one's face,
Yeah.
and your stress are releasing, and you are feeling happy.
Yeah, excellent.
Your dopamine is releasing,
Yeah,
and you are feeling more excitement.
So again, I'm surprised. You might have noticed that his focus is face, and you are his wife, and you can tell lightness. Why he's focusing on the face all the time? That whenever he defines, or whenever he tries to let us know the meaning of,
Rejuvenate.
so his whole focus is there on the face. What's the reason? Do you have any idea? You want to say something?
I think he saw the expression
Yeah, expression. You know that the face is the best part of your body, which lets other people know about your expressions,
Yeah.
So that's why he's trying not to focus on the face, and he's repeatedly saying, that if you focus on the face and the face of the lady, that he's changing only. First he was talking about his own wife. Now he's talking about,
The beloved
it's strange, it's interesting,
Yeah.
So that's your understanding,
Yeah, that's
Dearest viewers, that I'll let you know that the literary and the literal meaning of that
Rejuvenate.
later. But first, I want to know about your concept of this word. I mean,
Rejuvenate.
of
Rejuvenation.
your understanding of this word. What does it mean?
When you want
ਤੁਰ ਗਏ ਯਾਰ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਾਨੀ ਵਤਨ ਚੁੱਕ ਮੁਹਾਰਾ ਉਜੜੀ ਬਸਤੀ ਯਾਰੋ ਨਜ਼ਰੀ ਆਵੇ ਕੰਡ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਦ ਯਾਰਾਂ